Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard first semi-English Urdu. So dear students, let's learn maths with fun. तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये क्लास स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट के लिए है, सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू के तुलबा के लिए है। तो आप रेडी है? तो चलिए क्लास स्टार्ट करने से पहले सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी विल लर्न नंबर 1 एंड वी विल लर्न हाउ टू राइट नंबर 1. आर यू रेडी? लेट्स स्टार्ट. What is this? This is a sun. Very good. And how many sun are there? 1. Very good. And what is this? This is an aeroplane. Very good. And how many aeroplanes are there? 1. Very good. Now you have to draw one object here. You also draw in your textbook. Very good. This is number 1. Draw number 1 like me. 1. O-N-E 1. Very good. Let's sing a song. Parrot has big one. Come on, let's have fun. Parrot has big one. Come on, let's have fun. Do you like this song? You like it now? Very good, very nice. Now you have to draw one cloud and color it in this empty box. You also draw with me and color in your textbook. And in the second box you have to draw one star and color it. You also draw like this with me and color in your textbook. Have you done? Very good. Dear students, you know this is number 1. And how many sun? 1. And how many aeroplane? There is 1 aeroplane. And how many balls? 1 ball. And how many clouds? 1 cloud. And how many stars? 1 stars. And how many peak? 1 peak. Very good. Have you understood the number 1 and the objects 1? Very good, very nice. Now we will learn how to write 1. You also write in your textbook. Have you done? Very good. Trace like this. Very good, very nice. Say while writing 1, 1, 1. You also trace in your textbook. Dear students, do you understand to write 1? Now draw 1 in all boxes. वेरी नाइस. तो प्यारे बच्चों, आप 1 लिखना और पढ़ना अच्छे से सीख गए हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.